Okay. So first make a circle, this eyes line, and here I draw. Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay. Not issue, not issue. Yesterday, no, tomorrow I have some work, so today join both batches, Saturday and Sunday. So you can see lots of students here. Sunday batch also join. Okay. Yeah, this is nose part. For example, this is circle. After the circle, okay. After the circle, this is the eyes line. So from the eyes line, this is nose line. Okay. So from here, this is the nose line, this is eyes line. From here, you can just make like this. Like this. Okay. Okay, Sriya is here. Sriya. Hi, Srijani. Hi, hello. Hi, ma'am. How are you? I'm fine. Tell me, ma'am. Uh, yeah. Today I see that. Okay, not issue. I add now only. Already add today. Okay, you got some tell Sujani. You got some picture. I say now only. Already send it. Just ask you got or not. I saved I saved your numbers. Last week actually I have some my grandmother is passed away, so I go to there. But I send that today I save already. Just ask is got or not. Send you a new number. It's called from that. If it's not coming, then I can add again. I hope it is add already. Some yeah. Just yes ma'am. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yes ma'am. This is business account. I don't know what is business account, but some update is coming. I added business account. I don't know what is work. Anyway, yeah. And this group only does this age group only. The student age group, 10 to 11, 40, 10 to 15 years old students are there. Not other students, only this group, this age group. Yeah. So this is the broadcast group. So nobody you show others number. Then I'm only see all those parents or students number. Yeah, it's called WhatsApp broadcast group here. That's right. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. If it is press confirm, if it's not coming, then you can join. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. I draw this over here. This is some tiger, but cat kind of. This is like a leopard kind of. Okay. Yeah. So, good evening, beta. I make over here. How are you? Mm-hmm. Ishita, right? Is it Ishita? Okay. Can you show me the ears, please? How do you make the leg from leg? Leg, right? Yeah. Leg is just. No, the feet. How did you make the ear? Yeah, I tell that first ear like this. Ear is like this. One and two like this. Okay. This ear. Here is another finger actually. And this is okay. This is uh, one small
Are you all my personal dreams?
rat. Small rat is over here. They want to eating this
Everything you
rat.
know is in your mind.
We are doing sketching only today, so make some sketching line like this. Okay, make shading like this slowly. This rat, right? Yeah, very simple. Make a circle
Are you all my
like
personal dreams?
like this circle and the mouth. This is the mouth basically. Okay, and the body is like this one circle, two circle like this. He's want to try to live, but his leg and tail under this animal's leg like this. Yes, beta. Sure, sure.